Hey guys, welcome back. So in this video, I wanted to show you this project that I made last night. I actually finished it like around, it was almost midnight actually. It came out super cute and I got this idea totally inspired by yorlis. She's Pretty by Yorlis here on YouTube and on Instagram. She actually made a tutorial on how to do this. Guys, I'm gonna link that tutorial in the description bar because you have to go watch. Hers was so freaking cute. She did it all polka doodles. It was adorable. Like her projects, every video that she makes is adorable. So trust me, you're going to want to pass by and see. Tell her Wandy sent you. Okay, so this one here is a memory Dex holder. Look how freaking cute. Look at it. Okay, so it's made out of chipboard and it's like really sturdy. And I did a straw instead because I was afraid that once I put a few, like I'm not going to put a ton of memory Dex cards in here, but maybe just some of my favorites. And if for any reason the straw, and this is a double straw, I took a straw, let me show you, and put another straw inside. I don't know if you guys can see it, but there's another straw in there. Anyway, so this one slides in and out, so I can easily take it out once the straw right here gets a little, I guess worn. And I added little pom-poms there. And I added this, I don't remember what dye this is, where I got this one from. But it's, oh my God, it's a, what is it? A hot air balloon. I put a little doily in the back. I put this trim from Hobby Lobby with this bling. This one here is from Polka Doodles. And then in the bottom, I just used some washi tape because I didn't want to put so much stuff. So to hide the whiteness, I just put washi tape. And then the same thing here, you see? Like the back is white. The back I didn't stress too much because it's going to be the back. But I did put a piece of washi tape anyway. And what else? And then the inside, it's all Prima paper. And then these little, clips are from Dollar Tree. So let's take this one off so you can see my memory Dex. So it comes out like this. Let me just do it this way. Trust me, so much easier. But now that, of course, that I'm doing it on video, it gets a little stuck. Okay. Okay, so this is my little memory Dex card. I added the same trim. I added this little pretty girl. I think she's from KS Crafts. I did a little butterfly like she's blowing it. Flowers from my stash. These flowers here. Can't really see it actually. This is the only one you could see. So this one was a waste. Anyway, these are from Anna Griffin. And I think it came out so cute. I also used the Prima paper. If I was giving this away, I would obviously add a little... like a little pouch or something to put information on. So you see how it's the memory Dex card, but Yorlis is using it where she hangs hers instead of putting it down, which I thought was so cute. Usually they're hanging this way. So it's like kind of just going down, where if you hang it this way, you'll always see the front. So I thought that was a really good idea that she did. Okay, so then to put it back, obviously just put your, just put your clip and clip it, and then take your other one through the little hole and clip it. And the size that you want to do this, I guess that's really up to you. If you want to make it more further apart like this, like at the end of the card, you could do that. I actually think I might do that for the next one. But yeah, super cute. And again, it flips over so you can see it. So you can, flip them all. I think they're so cute. And actually, now that we're talking about Yorlis, I don't remember if I showed you I had purchased a doll from her. So let me show you the doll. She also creates dolls. I think I showed it on Instagram, but I don't think I've ever showed it here on YouTube. This is the doll that she made that I purchased, and I think it was so freaking cute. So she does that too. She has an Etsy shop. So definitely follow her so you can get all this information from her. She's super adorable. Adorable. God. Anyway, that's it. So I hope you guys liked the little project share and my little memory Dex holder, which is adorable. Oh, I forgot to tell you what size it was. It is 7.5 tall, and the wideness is 6. All right, guys, I will talk to you guys later. Bye.